Fun facts about foxes.
Yay!
Did you know foxes are more like cats than dogs? Similar to cats, foxes are nocturnal. A group of foxes is also called a leash. A male fox is called a dog fox, while a female is called a vixen. Fox babies are called pups. Did you know fox attacks, usually minor bites, on people are extremely rare, and generally speaking, foxes are not a threat to humans? This concludes this video about foxes. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel for more fun educational learning made for kids. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys at the next fun learning adventure. Bye!